Today I'm going to show you how to send large audio files on WhatsApp. If you've ever tried sending a long audio message only to be stopped by that pesky size limit, this video is for you, so let's get started. First, let's quickly discuss the file size limit. WhatsApp allows you to send files up to 100 MB, which is great, but sometimes your audio files can exceed that limit. Now let's look at a few methods to send those large audio files. Method 1. Compress the audio file. You can use various apps or software to reduce the file size. Just make sure the quality remains acceptable. Next method is to use a cloud storage device. Upload your audio file to services like Google Drive, Dropbox, or OneDrive, like this. And simply share the link via WhatsApp. Click on copy link. Like this. Simply click on copy link and go to WhatsApp. And here you can paste it and simply send it. Next method is to send as audio file document. This bypasses the media size restriction. To do this, open a chat in WhatsApp, tap on plus icon and click on document. Here you need to choose from photo or video, or choose from files. Simply choose your file and send it. And there you have it. Those are some simple methods to send large audio files on WhatsApp.